Hey everyone, this is Afuar from Tech Insight Zone, and in this video I'm gonna show you a simple way to convert your text to high quality audio for free. Now many of us struggle to find a sustainable way to create text to speech audio, and I have been there as well, because most of all the YouTube tutorials focus on methods that are unreliable. For example, this 11 lab method. When you try to use it, it shows this strange message. But fear not, I found a reliable method using Clipchamp. Those who don't know, Clipchamp is a free video editing tool from Microsoft. It also has a paid plan, but we will leverage its free version to get our audio done. Let me walk you through the process. First, open your browser and search for Clipchamp. Now click on this first link. Once you are on this page, simply sign up with your email. You can also sign up with Google, but in my case I already have an account, so I'm gonna log in. Once you are in the Clipchamp dashboard, click on the create a new video button. After that, you will land on this page where you can edit your audio. But before that, we have to create the audio first. To do that, in the left menu bar, you will find an option called Record and Create. Simply click on that. After clicking, you will find these screen recording options that you can explore later. But we are here to create our audio, right? So click on the Create Text to Speech section. Once you have selected that option, you will see this dialog box in your right menu bar. Now simply choose your preferred language and voice you like. You can explore all the different languages and voices that Clipchamp supports, but for this demonstration I'm going to use English as a language and Christopher as a voice. In the next step, paste your text into this box. Now after pasting your text, you can play around with the punctuation and preview the audio. You can even adjust the emotion and phase in the advanced settings. Once you are satisfied, click on Save. This will take a few moments and create an audio for us. After creating the audio, you can also change the volume and speed of your file from here. Like for this demonstration, I want to slow down the speed. So you can play around with different settings, and once you are done with editing, simply click on export the video and choose 480p option for quick export. Thinking about where is the audio, right? Well, that's the secret. We will convert this blank video to an audio file using a free online tool. Once our video is downloaded, now go to Google again and search for free video to MP3 converter. Now go to this first page and upload your video. Once uploaded, click on Convert. This will take a few moments, and once converted, click on the download button. and that's it, your audio is downloaded.
In the wild kingdom, where survival is an art, the lynx emerges as a unique master of adaptability. Unlike its larger relatives, lynx relies on its cunning to catch prey. One of its remarkable
And this is the method, guys, and this method should work with any video editing software that offers free text to speech feature. So that's it for the video, and if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to Tech Insight Zone for more cool tips in the future. And this is our first video on this channel, so hit the like button and leave a comment below to let us know what you think. Thanks for watching and good luck with your text to speech projects.